Good morning and welcome back to another video. I haven't filmed in such a long time, but I'm over here at Precision Dynamics as always. Today I'm getting a new clutch and a new flywheel for this car, my only car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did the LCI or the LED taillights recently. I went with the amber ones. The car's really dirty right now, but yeah, I think they look really good with the carbon black. I haven't made an update video in such a long time, but the car is looking pretty good. Basically what happened is my clutch started to slip between shifts when I would shift it too fast, and then I also tried to start doing like some donuts and the car just wouldn't at all. It would just slip instead of spinning the tires. It kind of sucks because it's an upgraded clutch and I thought I would be able to hold, you know, just stock power. I mean, it's tuned and has headers, but yeah, I thought I'd be able to hold and it didn't at all. So now I'm gonna have Precision install a stock clutch and a stock flywheel, just because I don't know what's in there. It's definitely like some sort of upgraded clutch, but I don't know about the flywheel, whether it's a single mass or the factory dual mass. And then the dual mass ones also go out around 200k miles. So yeah, just gonna replace both, and I have a track day coming up on the 23rd, so I definitely want to get this done, get the car ready for that. And here's George right now, pulling up to the scene. Oh shit, damn.
Brembo, big Brembo 996 brake kit, supercharger.
That's, wow. You never told me any of those.
There's...
Alright, well, I'm gonna get in the car. I'm gonna give him my keys actually.
Hey, that's a Chariotto Red?
I don't know, it's nice.
I think it is.
I like the M6 too.
Welcome back to a new vlog. It is Wednesday, 10:15, and we're drinking coffee. Parker's drinking Monster. George, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking an Uncrustable. Is this thing on?
Alright, here's the old clutch. Mark just showed it to me. You can see. So wait, is it because of that lip right there?
Pretty much.
Is that why?
There's no more material on here, and it's pretty much gone down.
Basically, your clutch is like a brake pad. When it starts to look like that, it's gone. I'm surprised you're still grabbing.
Yeah.
Alright, here's the flywheel too. You can see there's obviously some wear on that too. It's not good. And there's a clutch again. Definitely spanked. But they're almost done, so I'm just gonna button stuff up, put the exhaust on. You're ready to go. I got that. Back at Precision after a super long day of work. Sun's already going down. Last clip I filmed, I think, was in the morning or something. God, I can't get this out of the sunlight. But yeah, I'm back here and they're almost finished up. But yeah, the clutch was pretty fucked up. Just like no life left on the disc itself. So I'm glad that I replaced it, and then did the flywheel, and I did the little piece. So there's a metal piece for the rear main seal. So it's like, I don't know what it is, but I'll show you guys. And that was also kind of on its way out too. So I'm glad I replaced all that, so then I'll probably never have to take out the transmission in my ownership. Pretty happy that I did all that. It is expensive, but I think it's worth it for peace of mind. And now I can go to the track day and it won't slip on me. So sweet. Alright, so here is that plate that I was just talking about. Doesn't look bad, but there is like a little piece right there where a chunk is missing. And they said actually that it's not supposed to leak when you take it off, but it leaked from these two bolts at the bottom. So yeah, I'm glad I replaced that as well. It was like an extra $100, so worth doing for sure. It moves. Yeah, let him know, dude.
Hey, your friend's telling me, man.
All right, the clutch is all done. As you can see, it's so much lighter than before. It was crazy how stiff it was. And I think it was because the pressure plate had bent teeth on it. So yeah, it feels amazing now.
Oh, dude, the drinks, the iPads.
Oh my god, dude.
It missed everything perfectly.
Oh, damn.
Dude.
I don't think anyone's ever made it in.
Oh, copyright.
Oh shit.
Copyright.
We're at Chick-fil-A
Yes, sir.
in a brand new whip.
Yeah.
Nate got a brand new car. Can I announce that?
Yeah,
Am I
I mean,
being-
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, exclusive.
Look
content.
at this. Exclusive. Look at that quilted red leather.
Yeah.
And then it has the carbon fiber package. What else does it have?
That's it, man. That's it.
But it's a 2018 S4.
Yeah, it's an S4.
Dude, it's nice. And we're getting some Chick-fil-A. Some
First place
grub.
we gotta go with it. You know what I mean?
Yup, that's right.
How's your day so far?
Good, but I want to do the banana Sprite challenge. And Spencer won't let me.
Is it because I have a banana right here?
Yeah, that's what sparked the idea.
You like your new posters you got from Fatty?
Yeah. Shout out to, I'm not getting copyright.
Shout out to Fatty.
Yeah, thanks, Fat. I've been studying up on the Ironman TT course.
So you're getting prepared for your race.
Because I've never ridden a motorcycle in my life.
So the first time's gonna be at Isle of
For
Man.
the first time, I'm going to get Ducati Panigale 1199 RR or something special.
The Bonaducci
I don't know
R.
if that's the right one.
It's a motorcycle though, so you're gonna do Isle of Man.
$100 grand a year off of what I'm doing. That was like my goal. And I was like, if I can do that, I can make as much as nursing, I'll never complain in my life. So it was never really about the money. It was just not having to do that.
Yeah.
Anything else that isn't a box life.
Let me ask you this. So I remember, I'll be a fanboy real quick. I remember I went to an LA AutoCon, I think.
Man, I came to roll my weed. 19, big ass blanket. Man, I came to roll.
Yeah.
Big ass blanket. Came to roll my bed with $1. Think that you stylish, but the money still. We're heading over to Pepper Lunch.
Pepper.
Pepper Lunch.
A fresh, a pepper.
We better have a nice natural wine waiting for us inside. White, red.
Yes.
Yes.
Huh?
Did anyone else notice that Parker hasn't posted a video in forever? What is your excuse, Parker? Is this guy vlogging now? What is your excuse? There's no excuse for you. It's October 16th. If Parker doesn't post this by, today's the 16th. I'm gonna give you the 26th. If he doesn't post this, if you don't post this by the 26th, you owe me a kiss. Right here, bro. It's this easy. Look, I'll give you B-roll too. Oh my god. One of them is
We got some of this goodness gracious right here. It's still cooking, so when this comes out, it cooks in the little pan. Delicioso. Looks good.
Came out alright. I was really like on the fence about doing the V on the front hood exposed, but I'm glad I did.
Hey, that's a nice car.
So you think you're bad? Dude.
I used to race back here in high school.
Oh yeah?
All right, let's go.
No!
That guy pulled
dude. Such a boner killer.
Oh. Good morning. It's super early. Again, it's like 7:30 or something. No, it's 8. It's not that early. But yeah, we just got here to our office space and we're gonna go over to South OC Cars and Coffee. It's super foggy out this morning. It's kind of nice. You guys like this mustache I'm growing?
What was that?
What? Yeah, so we're gonna head over to South OC, and we got a couple fools with us.
Couple fools or foos?
Foos.
So,
This one is Nate.
yes.
Yeah, I almost dropped the camera. Yeah. Sup?
That's Mariano.
Is that camera heavy for you, bro?
Oh,
It's been a while since you.
he already introduced himself, I think.
Did I?
Yeah, you grabbed
You
my
already said
camera. Huh?
I was like, is that camera too heavy for you, bro?
Yeah.
You haven't vlogged in a while.
Yeah. Hey, what the fuck? Well, this is Mariano.
What's
Don't
up?
give him no credit though. And then, oh, there's George. But yeah, car's looking kind of sick in the fog. And then Nate, can I announce it on the video?
Yeah. Dude, you announced the last video.
I haven't uploaded that one yet.
I haven't uploaded.
It's this video.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright, well, Nate got a fucking S4 2018. Thing is sick. You got new badges and everything, so don't worry about the crusty badges. But you got the red interior, quilted red leather. Hey, turn down the music. Damn. Now that's fresh. Which one would you take? The S4 or the M3? Comment below. Oh, and yesterday I picked up, this is a long ass clip. Yesterday I got my new track pads from EBC. So I got the RPX pads made in the UK. There's the part number on them if you want to try them out. It says E34, but I'm pretty sure the caliper is the exact same. But yeah, I just got them for the fronts.
What do you think you are? I am.
The fuck was that?
What was that?
But yeah, I'll be using these at Button Willow next Friday. It's under a week that we're going to Button Willow, so I'm really excited for that. Alright.
Get that camera out of my face.
Good morning, George.
Get that camera out of my face. I don't want to be on camera.
Depends on who's asking.
I'm asking.
He's out.
No. This one's dope. Yeah.
I didn't clean it.
Damn. This thing is sick. Right next to the CS. That's nice. Full M3 conversion.
Yeah, that's what's up. The black one is brown.
This bike is nice. Alright, well, there's a Koenigsegg over there, but I saw George's eyes go straight to this thing.
All's over here.
Yep. It's like a little pre-runner action.
Take 2 shots.
Nice.
Ooh, it's got a cage. It's got full
Oh, really?
inside.
That's sick. You can't even see. Nice seats. I dig it.